Yeah, I can't see any of this.
Hold that there. The other hand. Click this over. Then, when you're ready, you let go of this finger. Ready? Go.
Wow.
Now you click it back over. When you are, every time, now you can roll back over. I know. But at least you're getting the hang of it. Mama, when he's using this, move back.
Yeah, get back.
Alright. Come on, roll it up. Wind it up. Wind it up. Right. That's fine. That's fine. Not the whole way. Not the whole way. Right. Here, now drop it down.
He's gonna end up getting it.
Oh.
He never fished.
Wind it up. Alright. Hold that button. Hold your rod. Pull this back.
I wouldn't go to see.
With your other hand.
Where are you going, Jayla?
Move that over.
Okay.
Boom. There you go.
Why don't you sit right there on the bench?
Click it back over. Boom.
Now reel it in a little bit, make the line tight.
That's how you do it. Now, wind it back up. You're getting it out there by yourself now.
You don't roll it in that fast.
Nah, he's doing it by himself. He's just not practicing. That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, you don't roll it in that fast when you got a fish on it.
Good. No. What you do first. There you go. Now click it over. Boom.
Swing.
Now cast her out. Boom. Perfect. Click it back over.
And that was fishing with the guy.
Now that's fishing with the guy 101.
Basics. Basics.
Now,
I just wait.
I'll show you another little trick. Watch this. See how it's like this? When you see your line straight, that's when you start rolling that up. You can always go like this a little bit. Well, then you're about to get a bite, bro. Yep. You're about to get a bite. Keep pulling up on it until you feel it. No. Don't do it real hard. Don't do it real hard. You're about to get some. He's about to get one already. Where's my mama butt? Mama, go get the other fish rods. I'm going to teach you too.
I kind of feel like seven pulling.
That's that weight on there too, though.
So I see grab all of them.
Huh? Grab all the fishing rods.